snakes? Well, maybe you should be. Snake bites affect more than 5 million people every year, resulting in 125,000 deaths and 3 times as many amputations. But snakes aren't the only problem. Currently available antivenoms are almost as dangerous as the snakes themselves. This is because they're produced using horse blood, which is not compatible with the human immune system. The result is severe side effects for snakebite victims. This is also why the WHO has classified snakebite as the most neglected tropical disease. Our team VenomAb is in the process of developing the world's first humanized antivenom that is compatible with the human immune system. This will allow millions of victims to survive encounters with snakes, and it will allow us to fight the bite.
So now you know what our project is about, but I'm going to tell you how we came to realize that snake antivenoms had huge problems. My name is Andreas Laustsen. I'm one of the founders of VenomAb, and I'm developing antivenom against neurotoxic snakes. After having lived and traveled in many rural tropical places in Australia, Africa, and Southeast Asia, I always feared that I would be bitten by a snake. I always expected that antivenoms would be around and that these would be effective. But in late 2012, I started reading a bit about how antivenoms were produced, since I was curious about this after having encountered many snakes in the wild. I was shocked to find that antivenoms were still being produced in large mammals. So because of this, I started working on a business plan together with the rest of the VenomAb team, and the further we looked into the topic, the more evident it became that a new solution was needed. Instead of continuing our career paths in oncology, I and the rest of the team chose to switch completely over to antivenom research, since no one else in the world were attempting to develop an antivenom based on modern biotechnological research. Right now, I'm at the Instituto Clodomiro Picado in Costa Rica, where I'm conducting research on the venom from the black mamba and a cobra species. Together with VenomAb, I hope that I'll be able to pave the way for the first modern antivenom that is effective, safe, and cheap to produce. Please help us fight the bite.